All right, moving on to the systemic veins. So we're again on the circulatory board, that's G30. Okay, so remember, veins are going to be blue everywhere during systemic circulation because they're going to be low in oxygen. It'll be the opposite in pulmonary circulation. We've already discussed pulmonary circulation, so everything we're looking at here will be blue. So we're going to begin kind of in the middle of the body and work our way up and back around and all the way down towards the legs. So first we have the splenic vein. So first we want to identify some major structures. These are the kidneys on either side. This is the liver right here. This is the spleen, okay? So the splenic vein, if you come a little closer, you can see right there, number 66. That's the splenic vein coming from the spleen back towards the heart. Then we have the superior mesenteric vein. That's number 62. You can see the little red openings here, number 62. Then we're going to move towards the head, move more superior. The internal jugular vein, okay, which is number 10. You can see it right there. The internal jugular vein. There's a little bit of glare, but that says 10. The subclavian vein, number 16, right here. And you can see anytime that the number matches in the artery and the vein, it's going to have the same name. So that was the subclavian artery. This is the subclavian vein, number 16. The auxiliary vein is number 21. So as we work our way down, number 21, again, that's the auxiliary artery and the auxiliary vein. Then we have the cephalic vein, number 22, right there. We have the basilic vein, so if we keep moving more distally, we have number, get into focus here, number 27, right here, the basilic vein. Then moving back towards the trunk of the body, we have the hepatic vein. Hepatic means liver, okay? So the hepatic vein is number 59 right here, coming from the liver. Number 64, the renal vein, okay, right here. Kind of a glare, but that says 64, so coming from the kidneys on either side, the renal vein, number 64. Then the common iliac vein, which is going to be number 72, so that's going to be down here, number 72, common iliac vein. And then we have the external iliac vein, number 73, if we go a little bit inferior there. And then number 75, kind of going deep or more dorsally, more posteriorly, we have the internal iliac vein, number 75. So that's the internal iliac vein. This is the external iliac vein. Then the femoral vein, okay, so that's going to be near the femur. All right, so the femoral vein, number 89. And the last actual vein is the great saphenous vein, number 99, and it's going to be here along the leg. So you can actually see the number right there. Number 99, the great saphenous vein. And the last one's actually an artery, the dorsal artery of the foot. That's number 101 right here. The dorsal artery of the foot, so it is red.